Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to set up the fast API. For that, you need to first open the terminal. I have opened the terminal. You need to go to the folder where you want to set up the fast API. I have came to the projects. Here, I'm going to make one directory called as fast API. I'll I'll go into that fast API directory. Now, I'm going to check the first of the Python version. Make sure that Python is installed in your PC. In my PC, it's installed. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to activate and first I'm going to create and activate the virtual environment. For that, the command is python 3 -m venv. You can game it, you can give any name, venv, my env. So I will give my env. It will take some time to create the virtual environment. It has created. By seeing this, you can able to see. So first, if you are in Linux, you need to activate this by typing sourc source and go to that mynv, where go to the bin and click the activate, enter. So by this, you can able to see that the virtual environment is activated. Now we're going to open this in our code, the VS Code. For that, use this code dot. So we have opened the project in our VS Code. Here I'm going to create one file called as requirements.txt, which is useful to maintain the packages. Fast API will go into install. Uvicorn will go into install. These two are essential. Fast API will provide the the main package. Uvicorn is used to serve the package, the app. Fine. Now coming back to the terminal, make sure you already activated the virtual environment. Now using pip, we're going to install whatever in the requirements.txt. It's pip install -r requirement.txt. I don't think it's installed. Need to save, I think. Now it started. It will take some bit time. Now it installed successfully. Now we're going to create one app here folder, app folder. In this app folder, I'm going to create main.py file. In this main.py, we're going to import from whatever we have installed fast API, import fast API app is equal to fast API, the function. Now we're going to define our route by adding a decorator. This is a home. We'll define one function, the route. So we're going to return the response as status 200 message okay data name is equal to user 1. Now we're going to save it. I have saved this. Now go back to the terminal. Use this command to serve the app Uvicorn. So we have added the main in app dot main. This is app directory hyphen reload. So it started serving on this. You can copy or you can simply control click. See, you can able to see our first status 200 message okay. So this is it guys. If you like this, if you appreciate this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.